we're going to go in the next chapter, we're going to talk about some settings that we can change in the scope or that we can add. So as you can see, the first recording that we made lasted 10 seconds. And we're going to do some changes to that. So if we go to the recorder tab down here, there's a few options. First of the recording mode, which is a single recording or a continuous recording. We'll go for continuous, and we're going to make it an unlimited size. So we're going to keep it rolling until we disconnect. Then another part where we can take a look at is the start-stop trigger. This is the first one that we're going to implement. So we're going to add a start trigger. We're going to say level, and we're going to say when it's bigger than 90, we want it to start. So now that we've changed these settings, we're going to save the last backup, and then install the recorder again. As you can see, on the top hand side, it started when it reached above 90, and now it will last longer than 10 seconds. In this case, after a few hours, this might become a red square. So to stop that, we're clicking on the graph, then we'll go to diagram, and we'll put it on samples 1000. So now we have a continuous recording that keeps going, but we see the last 10 seconds of the recording itself. Now that we've done this, we're going to go to the bottom part, and we're going to add some more channels. So first we're going to disconnect from the recorder. Then we're going to go add sample channels. We're going to choose a different one, in this case in harmonic saw, finish. We want one more, and we'll go with random, finish. All right, then we're going to save once more, save the backup, and rerun the scope. Now, once the scope is installed, we're going to see 3 different graphs running through each other. This is going to be quite messy after a while. So what we want to do is we want to separate these channels. So we right-click, stacked plots, and then separate it. This gives you 3 different graphs with their own X and Y axis. Now, say for some reason we want to show dangers or any specific information that we want to look at. We want to highlight that. We can change it here in the curve, in the presentation tab. Go to curve, and we can do float above or float below. In this case, we're going to do above, and we're going to say value. The values are already on 0, but say when it's above 80. We want it to change, it will highlight the areas that we want to look at. And this way you can edit your graphs the way you like. And in this presentation diagram, there's quite a few options for you to explore. But for now, I think that's enough for the Scope 3. If you've made it this far, that means that you've finished our video guide series for Bachmann Electronic. Thank you guys so much for watching. We hope that you learned a lot, and good luck with your future projects. Goodbye.